What is up, my dear guys? Welcome back to the channel once again, and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So guys, today we're gonna make a video of the Iwatch series 3. So yeah, let's start the video without wasting any other time. Hey. So guys, yes, this is the beautiful product, the Iwatch series 3. Well, it was launched years ago, but yes, purchased this for myself. So yeah, let's unbox this beautiful and see what do we get inside. Okay, so what do we get to see is a logo and some basic instructions. So this is the magnetic charger which you get with the Iwatch. It's nice. So I'll just put this set at the side, and also this one. Okay, so that's the Iwatch. So yeah, let's switch it on and press this for around 3 seconds. Oh wow. Well, so yes, I'm going to tell you how do we pair this to the iPhone. Okay guys, so as you see, as this says that the Apple Watch has to be paired, so yeah, just press this. So before connecting, just make sure that your Bluetooth is on. So I'll just switch on the Bluetooth and then start pairing. So here it says to continue. So as you continue, yep. So as you can see, so yeah, set up as new Apple. So it depends on you where you want to keep it, on the left or on the right. So as you can see, it's still in process. So I'll wait on the left side, so I'll install it for the left. No, and as in contact, it does take some time for it to pair. So yeah, I'll just rewind fast forward the video so that you can see. Okay guys, so as it says about the terms and agreements, so I agree. Okay. So well, again I'll fast forward again because it takes time over here. And as you can see for the Iwatch, it's kind of taking it in process. I don't know what you want. Yeah, I would kind of share it with Apple. Okay, and if you want, you can create a password. Well, I don't need to. And yeah, it should always be up to date. Okay guys, always make sure that whenever you pair your watch, Iwatch and your Apple, make sure that both of them should be updated, then only, otherwise the process will not go. So let's install all the available apps. So yeah, as it is see, it started auto snaking. So I'll put this at the back, and now we'll have a look at the beautiful Iwatch. So here it shows you the option about the display. It will tell you how to do that. Okay, so as you press firmly, we'll be able to customize. Okay, that's good. Now let's go to the digital crown. Okay, press it once, it takes you to all the apps, and return to watch face. Okay, press and hold to talk to Siri. Oh, that's nice. Turn to scroll zoom. Okay, let's go to the third one. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay. So we have only 3 of them, and you can even shove it with the watch. Okay, that's a very nice gesture. So yeah, this process might even takes time, so yeah, I've got to forward this stuff too. Okay guys, so as you see that the watch is ready, so I have to press the digital crown to start. So here we start. Okay, that's very nice. Okay, there are many other phones. That's nice. I like this one a lot. if you get to see. So the track events, call, calendar, timeline, photos, everything, music, and many other apps which are installed. And you can go to your face watch and select the dial. So as you see, I'm going to select that dial. So you see it's on. So as I add that, so you're going to switch it on. Oh my god, that's nice. So you can see, like suppose I'm going to press this. Okay, that's nice, beautiful. So yeah, this is how you pair the Apple Watch Series 3, and yes, I did like it a lot. So I'm gonna try it with the green band and I will tell you how to place this. So yeah, as this will be down your wrist, always make sure this should be down your wrist. So just pass this through. Well, I know it, always make sure that the shining thing should be down. So yeah, just slide it in. Also for the other one, this thing should be on the other side. So just slide this in. Here it's done. It's quite hard. Looks very good. So guys, that's it for today guys. So guys, if you did like this video of the Apple Watch Series 3, don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, and do subscribe my channel, your bike coach. So, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, shabake. Bye bye. The charging of the iWatch. So yeah, let's tap it. Oh my god, that's nice.